Hello children, once again welcome back in my class. In today's class, I am going to introduce you the concept of rough and smooth with the help of touch boards and also with the fabric materials. So, what is tactile sense? The child learns with the help of his touch and feel sense. He senses it with his fingertips. The child needs to feel the textures by tracing, as his fingertips are directly connected to his nerve end from the brain. The fingertips are very active for the child within the 5-year-old. So, we shall make the child to trace and feel the texture. This material is called as tactile material. The child trace it and say smooth, smooth, rough, rough. Now we shall move on to the next board. Here we have smooth, rough, smooth, rough, smooth, rough, smooth, rough. Alternatively, let the child trace and feel the textures. The third board has the intensity in roughness. Let the child trace and feel it. This board contains the least rough to roughest. This is the most roughest portion. Let the child trace and feel it. And the next board is the intensity in smooth. Most smooth to less smooth. It is little bit rough. It is completely smooth. We have the intensity here. So, how to help out the child without the material to feel rough and smooth? You can use the salt paper which are available in the hardware shops. You can use 0 to 9 or 10 number of salt paper. You can purchase it and you can cut and paste it on the kg cardboard sheet or the old invitation cards, which I'll show you. I have done this. I have pasted the salt paper here to help out the child to feel roughness, and I have pasted a smooth paper to feel the smoothness. Rough, smooth, rough, smooth. I have pasted it alternatively. And I have one more to help out the child to feel less rough to most rough, smoothest to smooth. I have pasted it in intensity. In this way, you can make your own material in home and help out the child to learn the concept of smooth and rough. I have one more here. It also contains the intensities of roughness and smooth. In this way, you can help out the child to feel, touch and feel smooth and roughness. Here is an activity for the child for his tactile sense. So let us see what I am using here for this activity. I have taken the cutouts of few cloth which differ in its texture. You can see I have taken 3 different textures of cloth which is available in my school, and I have kept them mixed up. You can see I have kept them mixed up. It is a pairing activity with your eyes closed. The child will do this activity with his closed eyes. With his eyes closed, the child has to take the first cloth. He has to trace it and then he has to isolate it and go for the next one. He has to search the pair for the isolated one. No, these two are not same. I'll go for another one. As the child has closed his eyes, he has to touch and feel the texture of cloth. No, these two are not same. I'll go for another cloth. Yes, these two are same. I have paired it. I have paired it. So I'll keep them together. Now, I need to search the exact pair for this. I'll compare these two by tracing. No, these two are not same. I'll go for another one. By tracing, yes, these two are same. I'll pair them and keep aside. And the next pair is, as the child has closed his eyes, he has to trace and feel the texture and then only he can pair it. Yes, these two are same. So we have paired 3 different textures of cloth. So, what is the learning outcome of these material? Using this material, we help the child acquire lightness of touch with the help of touch boards. We help the child to become conscious of 2 types of textures that surfaces offers, that is namely rough and smooth, and the fact that they exist in innumerable intensities with the help of his tactile sense. With the help of this material, the child prepare himself for writing by acquiring lightness of touch, which will enable him to move the writing instrument lightly over the writing surface, to acquire the capacity to make vertical movement, to acquire the capacity to move his writing fingers from left to right, spacing his movements eventually, to help the child to become familiar with the fabrics made of different textures. By this, we can conclude senses are the gateways to intelligence. The impressions are gathered by the sense organs and the senses carry them to the intelligence. The senses have the capacity to pass an information to the intelligence. There are the links that are connecting the outer world or the environment, and the understanding of the information is done only because of the senses. Tactile sense is the source of touch, and the sense organ which receives the impression is the skin. The skin is the largest organ of human body. Hope today's video is helpful. If you are for the first time in my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Also, like, share and comment on my videos. Stay tuned to get more and more information and videos further. Let us meet in the next video. Until then, take care.